Hey guys, Jasper here, founder of DA Growth Partner. I just wanted to share a quick insight in the market that we've observed, and after talking with some industry leaders in the data and analytics industry. So, what we've seen is that most businesses rely on their close network and referrals when it comes to generating new business. And while that's inherently not wrong, it shows that you're doing some things well. We have some other ideas about it. So, what you see in the current state is that the bulk of new business comes through the network, especially in companies, let's say between 10 and 100 employees. You see that most of their business comes through the network. So that could be either the network of specific leaders in the company. Think about CEOs, directors, managers that in the years of working in the industry have built up a big network they can tap into. Or it could be referrals. So your current or past clients were really happy with your solutions and they referred some other businesses to you, or word of mouth. So people in your network talk about you and well get other businesses interested in your solutions. As I said, this is a great position to be in. It shows that you have a great product, a great solution, a great service. It shows that you're appreciated by your past and current clients. Um, yeah, and that essentially leads to warmer prospects. So when people get referred or they refer your business to other people, you tend to see that those are way warmer prospects. What this eventually leads to, shorter sales cycles. So what we see is that the normal data and analytics sales cycles are, well, tend to be between 3 and 12 months. And with those warmer prospects, those sales cycles are way shorter. They already know you, they get referred from someone they trust, so they also immediately also trust you, and you can even decrease sales cycles to less than 1 month. So essentially, it is a great position to be in, but we feel like there are a lot of cons as well. This shows that you're reliant on a few key people in your company. As I said, if you can tap into the network of your CEO, director, or manager, there's an inherent risk that when they leave, you cannot keep tapping into that network. Number two, there's no predictability. You're sort of playing the waiting game, waiting for someone to knock your door, and, well, therefore waiting to generate new business. So, how would this look like? What we have observed and what other industry leaders have told us is that they feel like their network is getting to deplete. What that leads to is getting less new clients, which leads to slowing revenue growth, reduced profits, which leads to less capital, less budgets to invest in growth, in your employees, in innovation, which can potentially lead to losing your competitive edge and your market share. So, how would we approach it? How would we see the desired state of generating new business? What you really want is a reliable, scalable, and predictable strategy to acquire new customers. This will lead to a pipeline of high quality, high intent prospects. So, how do you do this? You probably have an ideal client profile, a specific business that you love working with, you love working for, you can get great results for. So, segment them, put them on a list, and try to get a hold of them. So, how do you get a hold of them? You speak to their exact problems and their exact needs that they are currently dealing with. And you already have this data. You have a lot of meetings with prospects. with current clients. You have a lot of experience and knowledge with the people in your company. So you probably know what the number one problem or desire of your prospects is. So use that. Use that when doing outreach, and try to tap into that. So what will this eventually lead to? It will lead to predictable client inflow and therefore a great way to forecast cash flow. Well, everyone knows that cash flow is one of the most important financial metrics in the company because it allows you to hire top talent with full confidence. If you have a full pipeline of new clients, new projects, you can hire top talent with full confidence. You know you can place them on projects, you have a lot of new business to generate, so you can hire the best people out there without any worry of not being able to place them. Also, you can allocate budgets, as I said, allocate budgets to employee growth, innovation, and the development of your employees. And you can invest in even more growth. So you can expand to different markets, different countries. You can scale up your client acquisition. So, as to wrap up, essentially, it's a great position to be in when you have, well, you can rely on your network, you can rely on your referrals. Shows that you're doing a lot of good things, but it's not really reliable, and that's what you really want. You want to have a reliable, scalable, predictable strategy in order to really scale to the next level. So this was just a quick video of our observations. I hope you liked it and keep an eye on more content.